Assalamu alaikum all. My name is Tanzila. I am a student of University of Sindh, Faculty of Education. My presentation topic is ethical consideration in research, which is assigned to me by my respectable teacher Dr. Amjad Ali Arain. Now, the question arises in your mind is, what is ethics? Ethics is norms for conduct that distinguish between acceptable and unacceptable behavior. Here, ethical is that the moral principles, right behavior or good characters. Ethical consideration. So the meaning of ethical consideration in research is that in the process of research, there should be the cognition and consideration of moral principles, right behaviors and ethical codes, both for the researchers and the participants. Research ethical principles. These ethical principles give guidelines in research. Number 1 is honesty. Researchers should honestly report data and results of the studies, including the methods and procedures employed in data gathering as well as publication status. Researchers do not falsify, fabricate, and misrepresent data and results. Second one is objectivity. Researchers should always uphold objectivity at all the times. Researchers should strive to avoid bias in experimental design, data analysis, and interpretation, peer review process, and other aspects of research. Now, the third principle is integrity. Researchers should act with sincerity. Researchers ought to keep their promises and honors agreements, such as agreements with donors and research participants. Fourth principle is confidentiality. Researchers should always uphold the principles of confidentiality. Researchers should protect confidential communications, such as papers or grants submitted for publication, participant records, and military secrets. Now, the another principle is legality. Researchers always has a legal dimension. Researchers should know and obey relevant laws and institutional and governmental policies. Competence. Researchers are supposed to be knowledgeable and expert in their own discipline or field of specialization. Researchers should maintain and improve their professional competence and expertise through lifelong education and learning. Openness. Knowledge is supposed to be free. Researchers must willingly share data, results, ideas, and resources. Researchers must be open to constructive criticisms and new ideas. Respect intellectual property. Researchers should honor copyrights and other forms of intellectual properties. Researchers do not use methods, data, or results owned by other researchers or scholars without permission. Researchers should avoid plagiarism. Responsible publication. Researchers should avoid wasteful and duplicative publication. Researchers should publish advanced knowledge, not to just advance own career. Non-discrimination. Researchers should avoid discrimination against colleagues and students on the basis of sex, race, and other factors that are not related to their scientific competence and integrity. Researchers need to help educate, mentor, and advise students and allow them to make their own decision. Human subject protection. Researchers should respect human dignity and privacy. Researchers should take precautionary measures to avoid harms and risks when conducting research on human subjects. Animal care. Researchers should respect animal rights. Researchers should care for animals when using them in research. Researchers should not conduct unnecessary or poorly designed animals experiments. These are the ethical principles in research. Now we discuss some benefits of ethics in research studies. It helps in promoting the aims and objectives of research. It promotes the values that are essential to collaborative work and collaboration, such as fairness, trust, accountability, and mutual respect. It holds the researchers accountable to the public and the society. Thank you. I hope you got it.